What have you got there, Grandma?
Pack and play. We haven't used one of these in 24 years.
Yeah, our daughter is 27,
Mm-hmm.
but this is it's very similar to the way they used to be.
Yep.
But this is a little how-to for grandparents. We're not very versed at this yet, but Farm Girl can show you how to do it.
So you just,
It can be a little complicated if you've not done these modern. I don't know when they implemented the design change.
yeah. So you got to make sure you have the red up, facing upward. And you want to leave.
Let the arms fall.
Yeah, you want to leave this part up, and then you hook the sides.
Hold the sides up so that they latch.
Yep. They won't latch if you have this pushed down.
If you have what?
If you have this part pushed down.
Yes, you have to leave that
So you
up.
have to latch these before you do this part. And then you just loosen it up.
And then this
This is the pad.
part that it was in is the pad.
Inside. Yeah, it's
Easy.
nice and padded.
Easy, so easy a grandmother can do it.
Yeah. And then take it back apart.
Now this is tricky.
You have to pull this part up first.
About halfway.
About halfway, yeah, but not too far. And then you press the sides.
There's a little button right there.
And you got to make sure that you get, my fingernails are in the
You
way.
didn't
but-
get both sides over there.
Or over here.
Yeah. See, it's a little tricky.
It's my fingernails not getting in there.
Because I think,
There we go.
there we go. So you press that button.
You
release
kind of
it.
pull up on it and release it.
There we go. Now you can. Now
It
you
looks so easy.
Now you can pull your midsection. And then it goes right back in here. So that's the stuff we were talking about.
This is like the top part.
That's
so-
the bed that goes on top.
Yeah.
Yeah,
When
we'll show everybody how to
when
use
they're-
that next time.
Yeah, when they're really little, you use that.
Yeah.
But we didn't this time.
Yeah. And it just goes back in the little case.
Here we go. Oh, and
This
you want the opening part to be up on the top.
This reminds me of when, oh yeah, that's important.
So
This
you can carry it
opening,
around.
because this handle has to go through this opening. This reminds me of you and I in San Diego when the kids were little in the 80s,
Uh-huh.
or the 90s.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We would travel down to San Diego to see my aunt and
Pack
uncle.
and play will travel.
Mhm.
All right.
Very cool.
Thanks.
There you go, grandparents.
Gammy.
You don't know. Baby's too young to have given you a name yet.
Yes.
Oh,
Sweetest baby.
is it time for a change?
Yeah.
That means something different now. Time for a
Don't ever
change.
change.
Change that little baby.